Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover Google Photos. You have to start by open the Google Photos application. Then at the middle bottom you need to click at the collections. Then select trash. And right here you have deleted photos. So you need to select what photo you want to restore or video. Select it, and you have few options how to select. You can press and hold at the photo and then select it, or you can click at the three dots, then select, and now select it. But you can also, if you want to, let's say, restore all of them, you can click select and right here click restore all, and you don't need to select your photos. But let's say I want to restore few of them. Let's say okay, this one, and this one. I select it, and at the right bottom I have restore button. I click on it and restore. Or if you want to select only one, click at this photo or video, then click restore at the left bottom. Now, if you delete some photos from here, let's say this one, you cannot restore this photo or video anymore. Also, on the trash automatically delete your photos after 60 days if your backup turn on, and 30 days if it's turned off. So that's it. We just restore them and we have them right here. As you can see, we have this video. We have also another video, this one, these two. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.